Hello students, today we are going to solve 18th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as a plate bearing test was carried out on a subgrade using a 76 cm diameter rigid plate. A deflection of 1.25 mm was caused by a pressure of 0.84 kg per centimeter square. The modulus of subgrade reaction in kg per centimeter cube is. Now we have to calculate the value of modulus of subgrade reaction in kg per centimeter cube. Now modulus of subgrade reaction for 76 cm diameter rigid plate is calculated as K1 equals to P by delta. Now the value of P is given as 0.84 and the value of delta is given as 0.125 and the unit will be in kg per centimeter cube. After solving this, we will have the value of K1 equals to 6.72 kg per centimeter cube. That will be the value of K1. Now we have to calculate the modulus of subgrade reaction for standard plate of radius 75 cm. So the formula will be equals to K equals to K1A1 upon A. Now the value of K1 is already calculated as 6.72 and the value of A1 will be equals to 76 and the value of A will be equals to 75. On solving this, we will have the value of K equals to 6.81 kg per centimeter cube. That will be the complete solution of this numerical. Thank you very much, students.